Hey guys, alright, so we got a before video that I'm doing here. Um, we've already done all the paint, which is full ceilings, all walls. So in this kitchen, we're replacing this linoleum with tile squares. Cabinets have already been painted. And okay, so in this living room, it's going to be all brand new hardwood after I get the soft spots done, which I'll make a video on how to fix the soft spot. We're doing all baseboard, new blinds. The walls were pretty dirty before. The second living room, dining room, whatever you want to call it, it's going to get hardwood, baseboard, blinds. Paint has been done. We got this first bedroom also going to get hardwood, baseboard, blinds. The paint has been done. This house is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a living room. Okay, and we go on to the hall. This will be hardwood continued from the living room straight down, no transition. This bathroom is going to get linoleum. Paint has been done. It's a little laundry section. I'm going to do the tile squares to match the kitchen. Just thought that would look really nice. And hardwood's going to be continued. Again, no transitions, just a free flow through every door. The second bedroom is going to get hardwood, baseboard, blinds. As for this bathroom, it's been painted besides baseboard. Just need to add a brand new toilet seat. We always replace toilet seats when people move out. And we got the third bedroom. This will be getting hardwood, baseboard, and all new blinds. Again, I'm a little late on this video. We've already covered all paint. Well, besides the door, I just had to patch it. Waiting for that to dry so I can paint this door. And the fourth bedroom, which this will just be getting hardwood, baseboard, new blinds, just like the rest of the home. Yeah, so that's it for this house, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and post this video up, the before, and it should take us about 2 weeks to complete this home. And yeah, so that's what this house looks like right now. And it's gonna look so much better with the hardwood tile, baseboard, and blinds. So yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one.